รายการต่อไปนี้เป็นรายการทั่วไปสามารถรับชมได้ทุกวัย
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will bring you a news about at first point out the crisis Covid-19 does not allow nature to rest. During the outbreak of Covid-19, the media all over the world present the good side of this crisis. Nature has stopped due to human being banished from home, allowing us to see images of animals coming out to live freely. For example, penguins roam the streets of Cape Town, South Africa. Fun kangaroo live in Adelaide, Australia. At the frog is the crab is exposed outside of Bogota, Cambodia, etc. This story of come with new reports about reduced air pollution and more clear sky in big cities like Delhi, India, Seoul, South Korea, or even in Los Angeles. However, these new reports are often misleading to humans that nature is clearly benefiting from global lockdown measures. But why big cities seem to benefit? The situation in rural areas different. Leicester, this area have uncreated population and the main resource that they rely on this nature, including hunting, fishing, and cutting down trees for habitat. Group of people who have moved to work in the city and their income is lost or unemployed because of the COVID-19 situation. All has this back to their homeland, which then to affect nature, while at the same time the risk of bringing the disease to spirits in rural areas. There are more as well. In addition, the opportunists and the criminal group involved in the protection, illegal mining and wildlife poaching is currently taking advantage of the moment when the government is focusing on the disease COVID-19 more than other issues, leading to increased deforestation report in Asia, Africa, and Latin America. More than that in countries that rely on in tourism, such as Kenya, the Galapagos Island, in Ecuador, and Tabata Coral Reef Nature Park, Philippines. Both are facing the reduced nature reason due to the decrease in tourists and the decreased income from the maintenance of nature reason. Meanwhile, illegal gold mining in Latin America and Africa is on the line because the risk of growth
increases.
and that hostess area are not taken care of in this
Situation that affect nature and rural area will continue until the economic conditions return to good again and the government is able to look after the conservation of nature, resulting in a misunderstanding. The protecting nature is second only to the outbreak control. As is currently happening, however, defending nature has failed may be the case of future epidemics, such as changes in land use is a major factor of the epidemic. The spread from animal to human, exploitation of animal species, degradation increase the risk of human
infection disease up to twice as much as other infectious government in a country that face the problem of deforestation, illegal mining, and poaching. Therefrom, must focus and enforce the law as before, even
in the midst
of the illness of COVID-19, and equally important that is a country must start an economic recovery plan which includes taking care of the environment. Thank you for following the news.